Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. This one's been haunting classrooms and family dinners for decades. The sound of a knuckle crack triggers instant lectures. Stop that, you'll get arthritis. Except, no, you won't. That sound isn't bone grinding on bone. It's just gas bubbles popping inside the joint fluid. Multiple studies, including one where a doctor cracked the knuckles on only one hand for 50 years, found no increased risk of arthritis. The only thing cracking your knuckles causes is mild annoyance for anyone within earshot. You lose most of your body heat.